Good morning. We are doing a very special today about how the markets are changing and how the professional trading management will be done here. And you got to know that the gaps, that's a gap to the top. This is Goldman Sachs. This is a 3-minute chart. They gapped it. They brought it down all the way. Here was that gap. $171. And the bottom, so we will teach you how to short that gap. They came down, they tried to buy off the bottom here, and we're coming down and we're setting up. The markets have changed, and it's about learning where that trade is. Goldman Sachs just reported a blowout quarter on the earnings. And the public is probably saying, oh boy, I just can't believe it. And people are probably text messaging each other, I just can't believe that Goldman fell off the highs like that. Well, hey, it's all about professional trading. And that's the downside movement. That's an upside movement. All of these movements are dollar price movements. So you made $5 to the downside, and you could have made $2 to the upside here. So that's a $7 movement within the first hour of trading. So basically what I want you to see here is how to short the gap, how to buy the bottom, and the market has changed. The markets are overbought, indexes are overbought, and people are shorting the news. Okay? And basically everyone will buy the gap here. They all crowd in right here, and then we are selling short. We had some senior pro traders that sold short on that first red bar, and it went down. And when we consolidated down here, we covered and got out. We bounced, and we're coming back up. The thing about it here in the SMF Pro Trading School at www.stockmarketfunding.com is you get to learn as a professional trader here, and we'll fund your trading account to do this with, is that you get a chance to be the professional. You get a chance to be guided in that shorting that gap. You get the chance of being walked through with the market and where the sentiment and where the psychology of the market and where the trade management, and it's a professional trader's market. And this is what it is. It's not like it was from March of 09. January is living up to its name. And basically, what we want to teach you here is how to get both directional movements in the equity. They shorted the news, and they did. Great earnings report, and I'm sure a lot of people can't understand it, but this is how we made money on the other side of the public. Everybody rushed into the gap sequence. Everyone rushed in to buy that great earnings right here. We sold short on that reversal bar. We had a stop above there. It did not get triggered. It came down. There was the profit strategy. These are how these profits are made on an intraday level. And you too, even if you don't have any experience ever, can do this. This is not going to be hard for you to do. We will guide you through it. And we will tell you where these trade management setups are. That's Goldman Sachs on the great earnings report. How to trade it. How to short the gap. Short the news.